Okay, so you have this to the 2. To solve this, you just have to multiply 2 times 4, and you have 2 times 4, 8. Now, say you have this 3, 4. So to solve this, the only thing you have to do is 4 times 3. Top. Now say you have this 2 to the 2, 3. Now to solve this, you have to multiply by 2 as always. So it's 2 times 3 is 6. Now the same thing. Imagine you had a 1 here. So it will be 2 to the 3. Why is 2 to the 3 is equal to 2 times 2 times 2 is equal to 8. So you have 8 here. That's how you solve it. Now let's continue. So you have 2 to the x, y to the 2. Now, same idea. So this 2 goes here, to the 2 to the 2 goes here, x to the 2, and this 2 goes here, y to the 2. Perfect. Now say you have this 2 to the 2, x to the 2, and y to the 2 over, and you have 3 like this. So the only thing you have to do is go to each one. 3 times 2 is 6. 3 times 2 is 6 again, and 3 times 2 is 6 also. Perfect. Now say you have this now. X to the x like this. So to solve this, you have to imagine there has a 1 here. So 2 minus 1 is just 1. So you have x to the 1 is equal to x. Let's do another one. You have 5 here, and you have x here. Now to solve this is 5 minus 3. So 5 minus 3 is 2. There you go, 5 minus 3, and here's 2. Let's solve another one. You have 10 here, and you have x to the 7 here. How to solve this is 10 minus 7, so x to the 3. Now let's continue. So you have x to the 5 and y to the 2, y to the 3. And here you have x to the 2 and y to the, and just y. Y to the 2. Now how do you solve this? So you go one by one. It's 5 minus 2, 3. Y, 3 minus 2 is just y, 1, which is equal to just x to the 3, y. Let's try another one. X 10, y 10, and here you have x 3, and here y 7. Perfect. So how to solve this is 10 minus 3, 7, 10 minus 7 is 3. Is 3. Perfect. Now let's see the negatives. So whenever you have a negative like this, minus 10 is the same thing as putting this under a denominator like this. So let's say you have x minus 5 is the same thing as putting this under the denominator and removing the negative. So the same thing. So what if you have this minus 3? So you can put this on top. So you just put it on top and you just remove the negative. Okay. So let's have an example. So you have x 5, x and 7 is equal to, so you do the same thing. So 5 minus 7, 5 minus 7 is minus 2, which is equal to 1 over x2. Voila. Let's try another. So x minus, you have 10 here, You have let's say 13. So 10 minus 13, x minus 3, which is equal to x 3. Vale. So let's try another one. So you have x 7 minus x 10. So 7 minus 10, x minus 3. Voila, which is equal to x 3. Like this. Let's try another one. X 10, y 10, and you have x 15 and y 17, which is equal to, look at the x first, x minus 10, 5, and 10 minus 17 minus 7, which is equal to x 5, sorry, so 1 over x 5 and y. Let's try the last one. So x 10 and y 20 minus x 13 and y 10. Let's say 8. Okay, now 10 minus 13, so minus 3. Y 10 minus 8 is equal to 12. So I only have a negative here. So I just put the negative underneath. I keep the y on top because it's already positive, and put the negative on the bottom. Voila. One last one. 8 and 7 and let's say 10 and 5. So you have 8 minus 10, so it's minus 2. 7 minus 5, it's 2. I just put the negative on bottom. So I just keep the positive on top, the negative on bottom. Voila. Now, special cases. So you have this 8, 8. So since the top and the bottom are the same, it's equal to 1. So say you have 7 here, y7, 5 here, 7 and y5. So top and bottom are the same, it's just equal to 1 because this is the same, this is the same. Now, so for example, you have 20 here and y3. Yeah, 20 here and y5. So now this is the same, so it cancels out. Now you just look at the y's. So 3 minus 5 is minus 2, which is equal to 1 over y2. Voila.